So as you know, I have uploaded intelligence to Cortana. I've gave her a voice and I've made her do a bunch of commands. So recently I've been thinking, instead of using this kind of crappy like GTTS voice that I used to have on Cortana, why not give her a custom voice? So after scouring the internet multiple times, I've came up with this one company that offers an API. It's called IBM Watson, and I'll show you a quick demo of theirs on how it works. So let me select, and let's just select any voice and let's hear it.
Conscious of its spiritual and moral heritage, the Union is founded on the indivisible, universal values of human dignity, freedom, equality, and
I
solidarity.
think that's enough. So as you can see, they offer a whole variety of voices, quite a lot of time, and it's, in my opinion, much better than just the normal TTS voice. So I'm going to be using this, and I want to try putting this kind of voice into Cortana. So whenever she wants to speak or say something, she will use one of these voices, preferably British. So let's get started on IBM Cloud. Our first objective is to actually create our account. So I'm just going to press this, and then it will take us to this page. So as you can see, I already have actually signed into my account. So right now we're creating this account. I've signed in. You could create your own account, and I'm using the Lite plan. It's a free plan given by IBM. So the first thing you're going to see is this getting started page. It just tells you like the basics, um, the JSON files, all the data, and all the functions that you could use with this API. But what we really need to focus on is this manage page. It gives us the URL and the API key, which you can copy and paste into your code. So our next part is to actually make the code. So here's the code that I found off of Stack Overflow. It's basically the code that IBM Watson provides, and it also has this little chunk that creates a file with the voice inside it. So you can run the file and you could play it. So I've inputted my API here, and I've also got the service URL, which is here. So let's go ahead and run this file, and as you can see, the text here is hello world. So it should give us some sort of folder.
Hello world.
So you can see that it just plays the sound, which is called text.mp3, and that's just a quick little demonstration of the code. It's a simple code, and you just have to input the right material, and you can have that. And also, one more thing, the voice is over here. So if you actually want to pick a custom voice, I suggest just typing this in, and it should take you to so it should take you to this page, which just gives you all the voices that you can use in your code. And the one I'm using is called Charlotte Voice, and it's a British accent. So that's pretty cool. So now we have this. So let's go input it into Cortana's code. So here I have, as you can see, this part, which is just a service URL and API. So now we need to actually get the file and play it. So here I have this function. So whenever I want whenever I want Cortana to actually talk, I call this function and I put the output, and it prints the output, and then it creates the file and plays the sound, which is pretty basic. And I'm just gonna run it to show you a quick example.
Katana activated.
Okay, it's on. Weather.
The weather in Mississauga is 14 degrees.
So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It was a quick video just demonstrating something that I've been having a little trouble with over the past week. So hopefully you can use this tutorial and demonstration to build your own speech to text with IBM's API, and have a nice day.